Hello, you're welcome back, and this is Quiver Analytics. Again, in this video, want to continue with our starter video, tutorials. In this video, want to talk about reproducibility in Stata. All right. So when we started, we used the log file. That's log using lesson 2, which we are yet to close. All right. Now I'm going to okay. Let me just close that. Um, Go to file. We can just write file log close and close the file. So what this means is that whatever we do now is not being saved after this. Like whatever we do now is not being saved. Now I'm going to show you lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2 is going to come up now. All right, so here is lesson 2. You can see um everything we've done. This was the graph, the representative graph it gave us. Everything we've done and their outputs, except the visuals, can be seen from the log file. All right. Now, aside from the log file, something much more better, because if we had made errors here, the log file would have still recorded the error. Something that is much more uh, reproducible than the log file is the do file. So after you can, while you use both, while after the log file, then you go again and create your do file. All right. What do we want to call it? Lesson 2. We'll call it lesson 2 again. And open. Okay. So there are no do files already opened here. File and change, import, export. Okay. Now we go to Windows and do file editor, new do file. All right. So yeah, this is what we are looking for. All right. So the new do file. Now, if we write codes in your do file, it is like your script in R. If you write codes in your do file, it saves, it runs in Stata. All right, so let's come back here. Summarize. I'm going to copy all of this, Control X, and paste it here, and run. So you can see it's run here. Let me come back to the regress. Control C, and you come here and paste, then run it here. So you can see the regression table again. Now the do file has a lot of advantages. You can add comments. So with star, this this is a comment. This will not, it will not run. You can see end of do file, because this is not like, it's not a code. That's the end of the code, so there's nothing to be done there. Then you can also use the double backward stroke and tests of hypothesis. You can see it is written in green. Whenever it's written in green, that means it's a comment. So you can use this to describe your codes, tell yourself about what you are doing, then you save it when done. So when the next time you want to run your analysis, of course you don't need the output, because the output in the log file can be confusing. So you don't need the output. You just come to do file, select all and run. It's going to run everything for you. Then you recreate your results and then write your comments in the do file, and save, then you can use for later. All right. So on this note, we'll wrap it up for Stata. If there are anything like, can still later we can continue with logistic regression and so on. We'll be using the do file for those ones. All right. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.